Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Yes, I'm still on a trade. I had CCL long right at the VWAP. I was risking somewhere around this area, like 10 cents, 67. My average cost is 77. Taking some off here just a little bit. My target is probably $12 area around this. So yeah, I'm about to get filled. Let's see what happens. I wouldn't get stopped. So what happened was I shorted CCL right to open, and then I got stopped immediately when it made a 1 minute new 1 minute high, and I kind of didn't like it. But good thing I stopped out. I waited for a bit, see if it's gonna continue. Maybe it's gonna be a good long. But when I saw that made a little bit of engulfing candle, I right away I entered short. Okay, let's see my trade. Looks like I'm going to get filled. Oh, not yet. Few cents away. So yeah, I reshorted, took most of my profit here, took some off, took some off, took some off. I re-added half of my share and took some off again, and short and took some off. That was a really good trade. So yeah, it's a pretty good one actually. And then I had it long. I got stopped out. Like I took some off there. I got stopped out at break even, and then look what happened. It finally went back to VWAP. That was my target actually. So yeah, that was crazy. I am almost getting filled now. Let's wait. Come on, 1190. So I mean, you can watch my video or we can watch my trade here. So let's see. Yeah, so let's watch my video really quick while waiting for this trade. Let's open my recording video. It looks like if it goes back to 82, then that's a bad sign. So let's oh man, I think I'm going to looks like it's gonna go back to VWAP. Yeah. So let's watch this first. I'm gonna pause this because I don't want to waste your time. Yeah, so I'm seeing large orders around this area, so but it looks like that's not an intention to fill because it's gone. So let's see some big orders here. If let's see if they hold it, 1180 area. So let's see. I hope they hold. Oh my God, I'm getting stopped. Break even. Come on, don't stop me out. There, I got stopped. So that's fine. Small profit. So now we can watch my trade. Give me 1 sec. There you go. So I was actually watching UAL, but I traded CCL or CCL there. Yeah. So I shorted CCL right at the round number area, which I thought it's gonna break 1190. So and there I got stopped because that was my original stop. So and after this I kind of rethink whether I should consider having it long, since and then I did not. I took it short, risking about this area, 1232 area. And yeah, there it worked. some more off. Fast for this a bit. Man, I got stopped. Now 175. Some more off there. I want to stop at break even 12.14. I thought I'm gonna get stopped actually, but I think I did not. Yeah, so after getting stopped here, it kind of made a mess on my trades. The way it's when you get stopped at your first trade, it's really hard to trade. I feel like I always revenge trade like this. I thought it was a revenge trade. Good thing it wasn't, because I was willing to lose another trade if it stopped me out. And yeah, so I added like half of what I have here, but my stop is still at 12.14 even if I added, because if 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 after adding, of course your stop will be closer to the price, right? So I was closely watching level 2 and $12 area, and it looks like it's gonna drop more at 11.90 because I see a lot of really big bids, 11.80 and 11.90. So you see those 3-digit numbers there. So yeah, I was closely watching those. 11.80 and $12 are the key numbers. Man, it's back to 11.79 after stopping me out, but it's fine because I'm making a video. It's kind of hard to make two things. So there you go, 11.90. It's been holding 11.90 actually. So I was confident that it's gonna took some off there just in case. There you go, took some more off. So it's making lower lows. Now it's ready to break. That's what I did. So I took some more off at levels. Since I took some more, maybe I was thinking maybe adding half of what I gave as well. So I'm kind of practicing this style, since I always miss when if I miss a big move like this. If I lose in a trade like this, this is probably what I'll do. Keep re-adding, and then stop out at break even. I'm gonna practice this style. It's called probably recycling shares. So whatever you gave here, you can probably add it back and do a tight stop, right? So imagine if you add here, you took some more off there. Whatever you took here, you add it when it reverses somewhere around levels. And yes, there you go. I re-added. My stop originally is 11.92 for this one now. There you go. I'm looking for large orders at ACB, but I only look at Nasdaq orders. Yes, like this one's. This one, no. Yes, this one. So 11.70, it's gonna break. Come on, 11.65. There, got filled. And I'm trying to do limit orders as well. Since you pay less commission and limit orders. I'm gonna do a practice now, since I have a market, take profit in market. I'm gonna try to instead of taking profit in market, I'm gonna do limit. Let's say on the long side, I'm gonna limit on asks. So I don't pay a lot of commission, because I'm checking my commissions are a lot every day. Sometimes it's a big portion of my trade, my profit. And I realize most of the limit orders are less. So this is where I think I took it long. Yeah. So this is where I took it long when this is, I think I'm all out here. I'm not sure. Oh no, not yet. I'm not yet all out. So I have last shares. Wondering where I took it. Yeah, so like that. I sent an order but I didn't get filled. Yeah, shit. Yeah, and I just made a market order. Took most of my, yeah. So I'm all out because it's a round number 1150 area, and there's like a daily level here. Yeah. Man, look at that. Being impatient. Tell me. So I was looking at the daily levels. So we don't have any daily levels here anymore. So after this drop, I feel like this is the last time it's gonna drop. That's what I felt. Normally, what happens was if you see on a daily candle, it moved like this is the actual move of the day. There's no way this will go to 1080. Maybe it could, but it's gonna be a really big drop. So what I did was took some more off there. I rewatch it maybe for a long because this is a really big move already comparing it to the previous days, and I don't see any levels at 1120 or below this. So I draw some line here, 1137 and 1150. So that's about 15 cents ish. 1148. So I was closely watching, and then I should have waited for a bit, like maybe 1143. This is probably FOMO. Yeah, this is probably where you want to enter long, right? Yeah, and stop, like really tight stop. Took some more off there because I this was kind of over trading. I think not over trading. I didn't have to do this. I just want to do it because I saw a pattern and I just want to practice myself, and I got stopped. So this is a very small profit. Yeah, and that's it. So and then what happened was, let's fast forward this a bit, and there you go. It worked. That was right after all. So yeah, it's just funny. So let's go back to my chart. There you go. It finally worked. I was right there. And then yeah, so it's holding this price 1150 area, right? Where I took my profit. I should have, yeah, if I entered 43, I could have survived. That's why I told you sometimes when there's like a little breakout, wait for a bit, like enter right in the middle, so you have like a really small risk, and it's probably gonna shoot up. Like, see, there's volume, right? I was actually considering entering 1150, but yeah, I didn't do it because I didn't want to give back. And then there you go. I entered it long, hoping for 1192. It didn't work. Took some more off at levels. I got stopped. Yeah. The good thing I stopped out because if not, I'm just gonna give back. So yeah, that's about it. So I hope you like it. I hope you like my recap. And if you like it, please, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any friends with the same interest, please have them subscribe. And yeah, I will not be trading tomorrow, I think, because I'm moving to my new apartment. So I just bought a 2-bedroom apartment in downtown, 2 blocks away from my current apartment. And yeah, I'm gonna be busy tomorrow because I'm gonna move out on Saturday. So I may not trade tomorrow. We'll see, because I'm gonna pack all my computers, my monitors, and everything. So yeah, have a good day, everyone. Stay safe. Please subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. and I'll be happy to help you out. Cheers. Have a good day, everyone.